You know, here you can see the whole city here. Let me pan a little bit so you can see. Okay. Look at that. And you see that's the Mekong River. We're gonna go down and grab something to eat, and then we are gonna cross the Mekong River to the other side. Alright, this is halfway from the back side, and they have the Metolani and Buddha statue on this side too. Take a look. I made it to the top. So we walk from the back side of the Mount Phousi, and it's not that many people this morning, so and it's still hot. I'm sweaty already. So thanks to my brother here who brought me up. So now we're gonna head back down to the front side. I don't know how well you can see the stair going down. It's like a snake going down the hill. So but we're almost there. This side is a lot better because it's cooler this side because you haven't got the sun yet on this side. On the other side, that's where on the east side, the sun's right from that side, so you get sun on your back when you climb up. ทางนี้มันก็เย็นแต่ในนึงเนาะแต่เว้นยังบ่ทันมาฮอดคือผมมันก็บังภูเด้อเนาะอันนี้ทางลงมาทางหัวสว่างเลย This is the old palace for the King of Laos. Behind us is the Luang Prabang, and I was up there this morning, way up there. So this is a new attraction. This is called Green Jungle Park. Inside there will be some botanical gardens and zip line. So I'm gonna try to go on a zip line and see. Let's see. Let's go see together.